What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So Matt's on his way here right now with the Jeep that we lifted last week. I think it was last week, or it might have been the week before, but I think it was last week. Anyway, the Jeep that we lifted, he put the new tires on it now, so I wanted to show you guys what it looks like with the new tires on it. He went with a 33, which is, I mean, it's almost a 33. You'll see in the video. I don't remember exactly what it was, but it's a metric equivalent pretty much for a 33. So that's what it's got on it. So we're gonna take it and get some photos, some videos, whatever else of it, and yeah, I guess enjoy the video and let me know what you think about the Jeep. Also, the update for my truck, seeing what's going on with the tire that I sent back and whatever else. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then go watch the previous video or something like that, but I'm gonna figure out all that stuff, and that'll be in a video coming up soon. We also have some things we need to do to the truck to make it legal for inspection, so that stuff is going to be happening too, so stay looking out for that video. And yeah, now on to the Jeep stuff. I actually really like these tires though, Matt, because I was hoping that you like, this is kind of like, it's an off-road tire, like it's an all-terrain,
yeah,
but the lugs and the space in between the lugs are kind of big enough that you can go through, like, I don't know, it's a lot better than the other shit when it comes to mud.
Yeah,
because it actually has like decent lugs on it compared to these other ones. Fuck, I would never run anything off-road with those. These are like a snow tire, literally. That's what those are. But so what do you say these were? 32 and a half?
32.8.
32.8, so they're literally a 33. It's just because they're metric. Got all the blue stuff on them still. Yeah, I actually like these tires. We'll have to see how they do, like, wear wise and stuff.
Yeah,
and you went white letters out on them too, so that's that's good. You didn't put it the black side out.
yeah.
You can actually read it. My tires don't even have the white letters on them, so it kind of pisses me off, but she looks a lot better. Looks a lot better. I was thinking, you know, I don't even, it would have been cool with the 35s, but the 33s actually just kind of, they fit it. The 35s would have been maybe stuffing it a little bit. It still would have looked cool, but that's plenty of tire. That's kind of a cool picture right there. Don't go backwards. Keep going. We got the wheel off the ground a little bit, Maddie. This is like the most forgiving flex spot here though, like, because it's a rock and then it just kind of tapers down on the left. So it looks real scary, but you're not going to go anywhere. We got a good amount of flex there. Stuffed. 35 probably would have hit. Probably a good thing he stayed with the 33s. Look at that, Maddie. First time doing a little bit of flexing with the new Jeep lift.
Yeah.
Now try to climb that rock. Just kidding.
Yeah, no.
I tried to climb it with my truck and I could not make it. It's like straight up. You can see where my frame was hitting. Alright, so I just wanted to give you guys like a little look at what the Jeep looks like with the correct size tires on it after we did the lift. So let me know what you guys think about that. I actually like it. I was thinking that 33s were going to be too small, but it actually looks okay with the 33s. I wanted to put 35s on it, but now that I'm looking at it, probably would have had a couple little clearance issues that we would have had to cut some stuff out. So yeah, that's just from what it looked like out there. I mean, maybe not. Maybe they would have fit fine, but it didn't really look like they would have fit perfect. So anyway, that's that. That's what the Jeep looks like. So if you guys enjoyed this, and let me know what you guys think about the Jeep, make sure to leave a like, comment below, follow my social media on the screen now, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you all for watching.